Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to look at this gamer audio mixer, that Maonocaster G1 neck. Like always, we're going to look at the box. You can see the picture here. The color of Maono always black and yellow. Et voila. So let's do the unbox now. Warning tip: contact us. The user manual. Cable, and the Maonocaster. What I like about this machine is look in the back. If you want, you can screw it on the tripod if you want. So like that, you can always adjust it, adjust the way you want. You know, if you want it like that or like that a little bit, you know, you can adjust it. So this machine here is a machine only for one person. So in the back, you can look what exactly it look like. On the side, on the front. Okay, here you have pad for pad. So like that, you know, you're not going to scratch anything. Okay, in the back here you can see you have two choices. Here, this is going to be the microphone gamer, and here is going to be the other microphone, the 48 volt. In the front here, when it's time to put it on 48 volt, you press, and that's going to be light open, and now you can use the volume. Here's going to be the mute. Okay. In the back, like always, you have auxiliary in and a lot of choice if you want to plug a cell phone or a pad or a Samsung. I don't know which one that's your choice. And here at the end is going to be the on and off. And after that, when we look on the front, right there on the top, you have choice again. Here is going to be another volume. Okay, this is the button for the Bluetooth. Here you have the lightning RGB. Let me show you. That's going to be easier. What exactly I'm going to do? I'm going to plug it. I'm going to show you. Okay, let me show you when I push on what exactly is going to happen. Let's look at the light. Look at that. This is cute. And here you have light all around. Only in the back you don't have any light, but in the front and each side you have some light. Now when you press 48 volt, yeah, for sure I don't have any microphone on, so for the volume, the light for the volume, you can see the other volume too, you can see RGB. Let's look at the light. to white, like that. You can play, you can change the way you want for the light. And now when you want it off, you just press a long time, like 3 seconds, and everything is going to shut it off. And after that you need to press another time, and that's going to be on. Okay, let me show you the difference of the size about this kind of Maonocaster G1 neck and the other one, the Maonocaster. Look this, look the difference of the size. So that can look, so like that you can see what exactly you have. Okay, so this one here is good for a gamer or one microphone, but that one here is good for podcasts, gamer. When you press on this one here, the voice changer, you can change your voice like to speak like a woman or like a child or like a robot, and you have a few choices if you want to choose your voice, and you can go back to your regular voice after that. And direct monitor, the RGB, and those four here is the same thing as the Maonocaster. The Maonocaster you have 8, and this one here you have 4. So if you want, you can install inside like a voice, not a voice, like a horn, a car horn. You just need to install it, and after that, if you want, you can choose like this one here, like if you want, you can choose this one here for if you want, you can choose this one here for applauding, and you have 4 of them. So that's your choice to choose which one you want to install. Maono for me has always been a good product, and with holidays is coming up, this Maono product is a perfect gift for the holidays. I hope you like this video about this Maonocaster G1 neck. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want, you can always look at the other video. I have a lot of about review. And see you in another one.